Hey guys, it's Ryan and my S Type R, of course, as you can see. Wanted to make a little quick video. There was a comment earlier on one of my YouTube shorts where I was doing a little tunnel blasting about how to work the J-gate, and so I wanted to kind of explain that and show that real quick. So I'm going to try to show this as safely as I can. So essentially, when I'm driving along, what I like to do is move the J-gate over, like so, and then, or move your gear selector like over, and then I can select whatever gear I want. So I'm doing about 45 right now. If I go down to second, it goes up to about $3,000, and then I can just go back to D. Essentially, it's like full-on, really like a manual mode. Yes, the car is automatic, but you know, it works really well, as you just saw. Normally, when I launch the car, I keep it in just D, and I'll turn off the traction control, and then the light will pop up, and it'll say DSC off. So that's how I launch it. Don't mind the light for the check engine. That's just a code for basically me having no cats. We already kind of tuned that out, but the code came back, so I'm just going to rework that. But nothing crazy. You know, it works real well, and I actually quite like it. I use it a lot, especially, you know, if I get into some racing action at the track, so to speak. So